Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good afternoon. I hope you are always in a great condition. So today we have a principle of materials development. In this meeting, actually, I would like to assign you to just 5 most important principles of materials development. But before we talk about that, look at this. The first one is prioritize the potential for engagement by, for example, basing a unit on a text or a task which is likely to achieve affective and cognitive engagement, rather than on a teaching point selected from a syllabus. Second, make use of activities which get the learner to think about what they are reading or listening to and to respond to it personally. The third, make use of activities which get learners to think and feel before, during, and after using the target language for communication. Well, the most important principles of materials development by Tomlinson. We have materials should achieve impact. The second, materials should help learners to feel at ease. The third, material should help learners to develop confidence. The fourth, what is being taught should be perceived by learners as relevant and useful. And then, material should require and facilitate the learner's self-investment. Next, learners must be ready to acquire the points being taught. And then, material should expose the learners to language in authentic use. Next, the learner's attention should be drawn to linguistic features of the input. And material should provide the learners with opportunities to use the target language to achieve communicative purposes. So, today, I would like to assign you, please find and choose 5 the most important or the crucial principles of materials development. And why do you choose those 5 principles? Explain more in a video. Okay, so you are going to make a video about the most important principle of materials development, and tell me why do you choose those 5 principles. So your task will be submitted in Google Classroom. When you have any question, you may contact Ma'am Aini. Okay, I think that is about your task. I'll see you next week. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.